Please listen to me! I didn't kill anybody!
Ma'am, I said you're under arrest for the murder of your husband.
He was alive when I left the house. I swear I didn't do this.
Tell it to the judge.
Guys, someone requested something. She dropped a comment on the previous video I made, on the video on how to create unlimited videos using this website that doesn't require credits, watermark, and this video you can create as many as you want. So she said something. She asked if you can use an image to create videos on this website, because I didn't show that part on my video, and I told her I'm going to make a video on it. So this is me making this video, so let's get into work. I don't want this video to be too long, so now please just watch everything step by step. You already know the website I'm talking about. Watch everything step by step on how to create videos using images on this website. So let's tell ChatGPT what we want. I want to create a short video on about a lady who got arrested by police because she was accused of murdering her husband. Okay, give me 12 seconds script in a dialogue form. The lady should be shouting, trying to explain to the police that she didn't murder anyone. Please use simple and clear English. Sorry, English. Okay. Add and give me a prompt to create such scene. Okay, all right. Okay, so now let's copy, or should I say, let's copy this. I want to only copy this part. Oh, it's true, ChatGPT does that. So let's copy only this part. Let's use Google Flow. Flow. You click on create with Flow. Okay, sorry, my own phone is on desktop site, and sign in if you've not signed in on Google Flow. Okay, so guys, I create image. This is the one I later created, this one. So let me save this one now. Let me download it. We're going to be using it. So we now have our double images. We're going to be using this and this and this and this. Okay, so now let's copy our prompts and head to these websites. So now let's copy this. Okay, let's head over to this website we want to use. Okay, see what you're going to do. Did you see what I did? You click on menu, this is it, and then you click on photo to video. This is it. Did you see it? This is how to do it. Okay, so now let's click on menu, photo to video. Remember this website, it does an ad. So now let's add our first photo. Remember, the first scene is what we want to create. I want everything to show, so now we need it. YouTube, sorry. So this is it. Upload. Then you write your prompt. Okay, paste your prompt. So guys, after pasting your prompt, click here. You can increase your video, the number of video variations you want. I prefer one so that it's going to give me what I want directly. So now you change here to landscape. Please remove it from portrait, change it to landscape. Okay, and then make sure it's on Google View 3.1. okay, then you close it and generate. Okay, this is how it's going to look if it's generating. So now let's wait for our video to generate, but before that I want to say something. Guys, please, if you know you've not watched the first video on how to create with from start, on how to just create by giving it a prompt without an image, you can watch this video that is above. Okay, now there's something that I want to say. One thing with this place is that you can create unlimited videos. Please, you guys should hop on this fast, because AI apps or AI websites does not last. The free and unlimited chance you get now is not what you might meet tomorrow. So it can be a paid app tomorrow. So guys, we are supposed to hop on this, create as many content as you can. Okay, so guys, our video is ready. Yes, this is our video. Okay, let's play it. Let's make it full screen and then play it.
Please listen to me. I didn't kill anybody.
Ma'am, you're under arrest for the murder of your husband.
Okay, he tried. Okay, so he tried. Let's create scene 2. Okay, let's create scene 2, or maybe let me regenerate this and see what it's going to do. Okay, let's regenerate this and see what we're going to get. So guys, I hope you remember what I taught you. Okay, let me just do revision. So I said if you want to use your image to generate on this website unlimited for free, as many as you can, you click on this open menu. Okay, click on this open menu, and then once you click on it, then you click on photo to video. Okay, once you click on it, you are good to go. You will see option where you can add your image. Okay, you add your image here, attach your image here or here. Okay, and then you add your prompt here. Okay, and then you generate here. You can also enhance your prompts here. Don't forget to click here to check your aspect ratio. Okay, that is to change it. So let's click that part. We click on it, you can see it is highlighted. You can change it from view 3 to view 2, but we use view 3.1, and then you change your aspect ratio from 9:16 to 16:9. So see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to let me know what next you want me to create for you, because I am always here to serve you. Mary Jane is here to serve you. Okay, so see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much.